Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this ink blot skull look. It's actually a lot easier than you think, so give it a shot. If you wind up recreating it, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And you can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. You guys already know, I'm just starting out with my toner to make sure that my skin's completely clean and prepped for paint. Now I'm grabbing my glue stick and adding a few quick layers while my brows are still a little damp from that toner. This just helps to thin out the glue, allowing you to pile on layers without it getting all clumpy. I usually do about 5 layers. Mixing that dark pink and white shade from the Mehren Paradise palette, I'm just getting started on the base of the skull. I really wanted this shade of pink to match the wig that I wanted to wear to give it that really cool monochromatic feel. Monochromatic means using all one shade of a color. That's right, I know fancy art words. I'm using a small brush for this to keep the pigment super opaque. If you want it to be more of a wash of color, you can always use a flat kabuki brush. I learned recently that you should actually set your eyebrows with a cream paint before going over it with a water-based paint, which I did not do in this video. But if you look at my brows, you'll notice that they have this yellow tinge to them from the paint drying differently on top of that glue. So I've tried it on other looks using the cream paint and it works perfectly, so don't make this mistake. Moving on. I started to paint my whole body until I decided that it would look cool with more of a drip effect leading into my actual skin tone, so I just took a wipe and I'm just getting rid of that excess paint. Usually I tell you to map out your teeth using eyeshadow first, but since these are just a bunch of ovals that don't need to be perfect, you can just go right in with your liquid liner. Like I said, I normally start out with an eyeshadow and gently shade where I want things to go before I commit to painting it, but I really wanted to freehand this one and see where it went. But if you're just starting out, definitely just grab an eyeshadow and just map out where you want things to go. That way you're not screwed if you wind up changing placement. I was really inspired by those ink blot tests that therapists use to figure out how your mind sees things. And those are just usually just like a very loose image of something, but you can still tell what it is, so that's what I'm going for. I still wanted the prominent features of the skull to be recognizable, so I knew that I wanted oval teeth, holes for the jawline and nose, and of course hollowed out eyes. In ink blot drawings, they usually have a bunch of little dots that lead into the bigger picture of an object, so that's what I'm doing here. And like I said, nothing has to be perfect, you're just trying to get the basic idea of a skull. Then I'm just filling in my ears and I'm creating the drip effect on my chest there. Now I'm just putting my hair back, I'm adding that wig cap, and then I'm popping on that wig. This wig I actually got from Amazon about a year ago, and I've used it like a million times. It's actually really good quality, so I'll link it below for you guys. And that's the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, that really helps me out. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.